Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I would like, this is a pre-loved canvas, and I decided that I'd like to make a fiery background because I'd like to put a dragon in. So without any further ado, this is going to be a swipe, and I rather wanted some black in the centre, which is what I'll swipe with anyway. And I have orange, gold, white and red, as you would expect for a fiery type of swipe. Just pouring it on, sort of willy-nilly-ish. And, oops, alright. And the gold, dragons love gold. Or someone told. Never really asked one what they actually think of it. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more down under this video. I think that's about got that, and some white. Now I have silicone in the orange, red and gold, but not in the black or white. Okay, so now spatula should be here, but he is not. Oh, nice little one. I just want to, you stop that, get back up there. Just want to cover up some of this canvas that I have poking out. Give it a little bit. I think I've just about got it all. Covered this end. Right. Now whatever you got. Not so much. The sides a little bit. Putting it down to the black. Right. I don't think I'd have any trouble covering it. I think there's ample suffice as far as paint goes. Maybe a bit more there. Slurp of coffee. And that's a nice one, and I have my cloth ready. Yes. And the side. Just a bit down on this one. And that's it. Pop in the bin straight away. Let them roll down a bit like this. and then back to more. Actually, I think I've got too much black, so let's just do this bit again. Right, that's that. And orange. Okay, where'd I put that? Over here. I'll just get some more. And he will need a little drop of OGX. Gold. Getting out gold. What's in there? A little bit more orange. And a little bit of white. Okay. So, the other piece of cloth is right here. Right there. That might not be so bad. And now, just bring them down. Okay, I'm happy. In the bin. Oh, how nice is that? Now, a knife. I have knives just to bring some of these down and up. Okay. I like how that's gone like that, larger one end than the other. And I have some gold here. I haven't even torched it yet and I've got lovely cells. And I think my dragon will go beautifully. He will. So I'm going to torch it. Well, that certainly is very pretty. I think I said the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below, show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there at any time. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And I think that's about all I can tell you. Just take a little look at this bloke. I want it bright and fiery and gold. Certainly have that. That yellowy looking is the gold, and when it's dry it really does get very sparkling, so that's my centre. And this is the top half, or the bottom, depends on which way I decide to have it. As you can see, it's certainly very dragony. You can just about see him popping out of there. Okay, so don't go away. I'll be back in 3-4 days or something, but only a few seconds for you guys. You haven't even got time to make a coffee and I've already got one. Okay, well, thank you very much and please stay tuned.